Hi everyone, how you going this weekend? Sydney's in lockdown again, so I was pretty excited yesterday to get my Lingerie Society box for the month, so I'm going to open that up in a moment. But I just wanted to let you know that on the website at the moment, all digital patterns are 40% off. Just use the code Sydney Lockdown at the checkout to get your discount. So this is the June box for the Lingerie Society subscription box from Pitt Trading. I got it yesterday, but I couldn't find a quiet time to record. So today it is. Let's check it out. Let's open it up. Oh wow, what a box. So starting off, we have some navy hooks and eyes. Oops, it's a bit messy. I'm just going to get rid of that. Oops, sorry for the noise. So the theme for the month is sand and sea. And it says, dance with the waves, move with the sea, let the rhythm of the waves set your soul free. And it's attributed to Christy Ann Martin. So, very beautiful spot. Looks like a very typical Sydney beach. We have some wide plush back elastic. I love this kind of wider one for the bottom band of a bra. It holds everything nice and firm and gives you that really good band kind of shape. Wow, these are beautiful. You can see these. They're embroidered onto tulle and they have little teeny tiny sequins and pearls and beads. They're really pretty. Little label. This one says silk and lace and it's in the same kind of green tones. Some narrow picot. This one's got a really pretty little edge trim to it. I do like a picot with a fancy edge. Some super fine lace. It's really beautiful. No stretch, just nice and soft. Very pretty. Ooh, a really pretty green picot. I'm just going to check and make sure I've got everything recording at the right speed. I'm going to continue on with the unboxing, but I'm just going to move the box back a little bit so you can see a little bit more of what I'm doing. Some lovely wide strapping. It's really nice and glossy. I've been really enjoying these wide straps. They make a nice difference. They're nice and smooth on your skin and they don't tend to move around as much as very strappy pieces if you've been wearing lots of the very strappy pieces. So yeah, it's kind of nice. Some fold over elastic. And some wide plush back. I just used this one on another piece which I'm hoping to film next week to show you, and it worked out so well I used it on a waistband. Some narrow casing. I do love this very narrow, very flat casing for the underwires. It sits so nice and flat to the chest, and you know, sometimes people say, oh, underwires are really uncomfortable, but with this really flat channeling I find it just helps everything so much better. It's always hard to figure out what to pick up next because everything's so beautiful. So we've got some wide stretch lace, nice and stretchy. A little bit of stretch this way, mostly stretch around. Great for waistbands of underwear. I've also used this down the fronts of cups of bras as well. Oh, wow, tons of it. I'm always impressed at how well they fold everything up to fit such a huge amount of stuff into such a small box. It's always very impressive. So it looks like some of my hardware's done a bit of a run, but I've definitely got two beautiful big gold rings to match the wide strapping. Let's see what we've got all bundled up here. A been using these little ones as extra bows for the fronts of bras as well, so always keep all your little bits of trims. Lovely navy color, feels like a polyester but like really smooth kind of one. Doesn't have that like crunchy hand feel that sometimes poly can have. Yeah, nice and smooth, nice and sort of shiny on that side, very matte on the other. But yeah, some lovely navy poly, great for bras and knickers, and so smooth feeling. This is amazing looking. Oh, a little charm just fell out. I'm going to show you that one first. It's a little tiny seahorse. That is so cute. I'll put it there on the navy so I don't lose it. This lace, wow. So again, it's an embroidered tulle. Nice and soft. You can feel the texture of the embroidery, but it's not harsh. The stitching itself is very soft and very pliable, like it's quite easy to scrunch, so it's not going to be too stiff or scratch into your skin at any way. Wow. My brain's kind of buzzing with ideas of what I can do with this already. Another piece of the hardware, so some nice wide pieces. And a really cute little charm, which is a little shell. Some crystal stretch lycra. It's really great. It's nice and stretchy, this one. Really lots of stretch one way, not as much the other way. Sometimes I've been using it to line some of the embroidered pieces. If I want to make a color a little bit more solid, also makes really great knickers. This is the most amazing color, like kind of like a dark tealy turquoisey kind of blue. It's super slinky feeling, really stretchy. Sort of, again, that kind of one I always say is great for no-show underwear if you want to try and do seamless kind of styles. It's really beautiful. Just judging by the weight, there's a ton of it, so you could certainly do a lot with it. Whoa, tons. Alright, looks like some more of my hardware has escaped, so another slider. A really cute like trio of shells in a little charm. A very cute fish. Wow, this is cool. It's like a herringbone elastic. So it looks like regular cotton herringbone tape, except it's stretchy. It's very cool, and such a lovely navy color. It's always so hard to get like proper navy in lingerie things because it's a bit hard to dye it. Whenever I've tried to dye navy in the past, I've always ended up with like grey or purple, but never like a proper navy, so it's always nice when you get proper navy. And some lovely sand colored power mesh. Again, it's the super strong power mesh, really great for backs of bras, or if you want to do any kind of compression slash sort of shapewear. I'm just going to move my box out of the way. So again, so much fabric, like so much fabric. You can make lots of pieces. If you've been following me on Instagram, you've been seeing while we were in lockdown, I've been cutting into some of my Lingerie Society boxes and seeing how many pieces I can make. I'm hoping to have some of those videos ready for you next week, and I'll actually take you through how I've mixed and matched the pieces together, what patterns I've used, if I've come into any problems or had any issues. But it's a great way to see how much you can get out of the whole box and the interesting ways you can use all of the different bits and pieces. So keep an eye out for those videos. But in the meantime, have a great time with this box. Now, I know that on Instagram, Julia from Pitt Trading said they have some extra boxes. So if you're not a regular subscriber, you can always pop on over and do like a once-off buy. And honestly, for this much stuff, that's a really great opportunity to try and do that. So I'll catch you back soon with some more making videos. I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.